Okay, clear?
Clear, sir. Clear.
Clear. So first I want to like to know what is your laptop configuration. So today's agenda, I'll set it the agenda first. Before moving to our introduction part, and we are going to be discuss about the Linux flavors and the stuff like that. We have to set it up the lab ready parallelly.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. If the lab is ready, you can play around whenever you want.
Okay.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ,
Yes, sir.
that is the agenda.
Yes, yes.
First, so for that we need a certain applications needs to be for the installation. First we'll complete because we'll kept to the downloading part. Okay, then we move to our introduction part. Is that okay for you? So it's clear with agenda?
Yes, yes, yes. No problem.
So what you can do, like I can do what? So just Google it. Download Oracle VirtualBox application. See what I'm doing. Please try to do the same. So you can Google, open your browser, open Oracle VirtualBox download for Windows 10. Do you have which operating system? You have which operating system?
Windows 10, sir.
Windows 10 only. Okay. Okay.
Yes, yes.
So you can see the official Oracle. Sorry.
Tell me once Oracle now. I'm not.
Oracle VirtualBox download for Windows. See, I can written in the screen. You can see and type it the same.
Yes.
Okay, you are able to see the list of options.
Yeah.
So I like to click the first one, right click and open the new tab. You can see here.
Yeah, after I got.
Have you got the screen?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, 1 minute. I got Oracle screen that actually.
Yeah, Oracle VM box. So let me wait. Let me share my screen. I hope. Give me a moment. Now are you able to see my screen?
Yes. Same thing. Yes.
You are on the same screen, right?
Yeah.
So what we can do here, you can see here the Windows platform. Our base operating system is Windows platform, right? So download this one, Windows installable.
Windows installer, right?
Yeah.
What is size of? I think it's
a 1 or 3 MB. Just it is 1 or 3 MB. Do you have any data restriction? So you can see it will be downloaded. Right? You have VMware installed, is it?
Yeah, already I have installed. Yeah.
Okay, then
once my end. So you can take.
Okay, first let it only 100 MB only. Just download and keep it ready. If VMware already installed, that's absolutely
otherwise
fine.
You can check.
Yeah. Let me complete. We'll download, put the ISO file downloaded, then we'll see which is the compatible application and all. Okay.
Sir, I have one doubt. Sir, what is difference between Linux and
Linux and?
What is difference between Linux and Unix?
Linux and Unix. So Unix is the proprietary operating system. Okay. Proprietary in the sense is a paid operating
Okay.
system. How you gonna be purchase your Windows operating system? Okay.
Yes. Yes. Okay.
The major Unix operating system are HP Unix, IBM AXI, and then Sun Solaris. These are the Unix operating system. Okay. These are the paid version. When get into the introduction part, I'm going to be explain about how the evaluation and what is Unix operating system, what is Linux operating system, and what is Windows operating system. We're going to be have a comparison between all three. Okay. And we are keep telling that Linux is an open source, right? Correct. Say yes or no. So why we are calling as an open operating system? Everything we're gonna be discussed today. Okay, no worries. We'll go. I'll do spoon feeding. No worries. Each and every I'll go slowly. Once we pick up, then we'll pick up. Okay.
Yeah, sir. Because I am zero in this.
No problem. I'm there
That's
to
why
help
I'm
you.
asking.
You can ask me 100 questions. I'm ready to answer. No worries. You don't need to hesitate
Yeah.
anything. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ನಾನು ಸಮಾಧಾನ ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ.
Correct, sir.
My Kannada is little broken. Don't scold me. Please bear with me.
No. It's manageable. No, not like.
Okay. So next thing what we have to do, we need to be download our ISO file. Okay. So this session completely we are going to be use CentOS. Okay.
CentOS.
Yeah, I'll going to be tell what is the reason behind that and everything. CentOS.org you try.
Your voice is cutting, sir.
CentOS org. Still my voice is not
your
feeble?
Voice is breaking.
Okay.
Yeah. It's not. It's breaking in between.
Okay. 1 second. You can stay in the line.
Okay. Can I download it?
Yes, please. So wait. I'll tell the version.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, sir. Tell me. It's taking time. Yeah, it's opened. CentOS Linux, CentOS Stream. Two.
Yeah. Now my voice is audible.
Here.
Okay. Yeah.
It's audible. It's audible.
So I changed the network because that is the reason. I have 2 networks.
Okay.
So likewise, you can click here. So you can click 7. Don't go for an 8. Just click on 7. Okay.
In 7, where I am.
Like you can see 8 2011, 7 2009. You can see here.
Which one? I need to click on which option?
7.
2009, right?
Yeah. And after that, you can see 3264 bit, right? x86_64.
Yes, correct.
Just click on that. You can see plenty of options here. Correct?
1 minute. It's showing. Here showing lot of paths.
Options are there, no? Okay. So what you can do, second option, click CentOS Excel Media. Yeah, 7.9.
Yes. I'm downloading. Yes.
No. Just wait. Don't download. Wait. Sivanand, wait,
Hmm.
just follow my
Yeah,
instruction.
yeah, yeah.
Don't download
Yes,
for
sir.
everything. So we are
Okay.
going to be use only the minimal. You don't need to be download everything. Okay. You
Mm-hmm.
can see the ISO file
Okay.
here, CentOS 7
Mm-hmm.
3264, sorry, 8x80. See, always in operating system, there is a if x36, which means always that you have to consider as a 32, okay, which is 32 bit, okay,
Mm-hmm.
underscore 64
ISP.
minimal. Yeah, 1 GB ISO file is
2009
there, no?
ISO.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
1 GB
Yes, sir.
ISO,
Yes,
the
sir.
file size will be 1 GB. You just download that. That is more than sufficient.
Okay. Should I click that?
Yes, just click here, start downloading.
Hello.
Yeah, just click here and
Hello.
start downloading. Yeah, I'm audible, Sivanand.
Your voice is I can break. Hello.
Anand,
Jay,
can
you
you
are audible.
confirm my voice?
No, 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 sir. No.
Jay, you are audible.
Okay, thanks for confirming. So just click CentOS 7 3264 minimal 2009 ISO file. Just click and download it. Just click for and download.
Okay.
Once your download is started, let me know. We'll move the further.
Yeah, yeah. Here also yeah. Started downloading.
Okay, started downloading, right? Once downloaded is finished,
Yes,
let
yes.
me know.
Both are downloaded.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's 1 GB. I think. It's around near 1 GB, I think.
Yeah, it's 1 GB, exactly 1 GB, not around 1 GB, it's exactly 1 GB.
Mm-hmm.
You can see my notepad.
Yes, yes, sir. I can.
So what is the operating system? What do you understand about an operating system? I'm in a generic way I'm asking. What you do understand an operating system? It may be Windows, it may be Linux, it may be Unix, it may be Mac OS. What is an operating system? Shivanand, are you there?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, sir.
What do you understand an operating
Hello.
system? Yeah,
Yes, sir. Yeah, operating system is also one of application. In this OS, we can use several application install and use fetch the data based on certain
okay.
hardware and some.
Okay, I'll put it in a different way. Okay, the operating
Okay, okay.
system, an operating system which is responsible to interact with your kernel. Kernel in the sense your processor. You
Okay.
typing something on your keyboard, right?
Okay.
Which is your hardware device.
Yes, sir.
How it printing in your
Yes,
monitor?
yes.
There could be some process, right? There
Yes,
could be
yes.
behind some
Yes,
process it's
internal.
happening, right? So what an operating system?
Yes, yes.
An
Sure.
operating system is an interface to communicate with your hardware resources. Okay, is that clear?
Okay. Okay, okay.
What is an operating
Clear,
system?
clear, sir.
What is an operating system?
Yes, sir. It's an internal process based on some requirement, some processor we can able to see data.
No, I'm sorry. So I'll repeat again. See, your operating system is,
Yeah, yeah.
what is an operating system is going to communicate with your hardware resources, and then what the exactly output it going to be throw to you. An operating system going to communicate with your hardware resources. For example, your hardware has memory, right? your RAM, you have an hard disk, you have a processor. Correct?
Okay. Correct, sir. Correct.
Confusing?
No, no.
No. Can I explain again?
Okay, okay.
See, what is an operating system? An operating system. So, for example, you brought a new laptop. Okay.
Yes.
Sivananda has brought a
Okay.
new laptop. We call it as it is an hardware. Correct.
Yes.
It is an
Yes.
hardware. So now you are into sales, right? Now you are into sales, right?
Yes. Yes.
Hello, Shivanand.
Your voice is
So you
breaking,
were,
sir, lately. Hello.
yes.
Just tell me now.
Yes. Have you been used Excel or MS Office something?
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
You are using MS Office, right?
Yes. Office and Excel.
Sorry.
Yeah,
Please
sir.
be
I'm
interactive
using
so that
Excel.
it will be helpful.
Word.
It is wrong answer also, no problem. I'm not going to tell you anything. See, if you keep communicating only, then I can understand
No.
the level of understanding your communication so that I can sync with you. Okay.
Yeah.
Is
No.
that clear?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
See, what is an operating system? So, for example, you brought a laptop. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
Give me a moment. So,
Hello.
you able to see my screen?
Yeah. You want to speak, but voice is in the, sometimes it's breaking.
Okay. So you have purchased a laptop. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So laptop you have purchased. What we call this one as a, we call it as a hardware, right? The laptop which you call it as a hardware, right?
Sir, voice break ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Hello.
Hello, Anand, are you there?
Hello.
Yeah, I'm able to hear
Yeah,
you clearly.
there is
I
no
think
problem with
Shiva.
Anand. Shiva, can you check your network, please?
Yeah, I'm able to hear very clearly. Dinakar voice is very clear to me, and even Shivanand also I can able to hear you.
Yes, sir. From your side, no issue, but as per trainer, a little bit voice is breaking.
Okay.
Hello.
No,
Yeah.
yeah,
Hello?
I'm able
you're
to.
clear, Dinakar.
Yeah. Yes. Continue. Continue.
Okay.
Continue. Okay.
So this is, you purchased a
Voice is
laptop.
breaking, I guess.
Yeah. So Shivanand, you purchased a laptop, and then this call it as a hardware. This part you call it as a
Okay.
hardware. To communicate with your hardware, how you going to be communicate with your hardware?
Yes. Okay.
How you going to be communicate with your hardware?
Yes, sir. Based on internal processors,
No.
RAM.
One more layer we call it as a, no, that are all your hardware resources. RAM, hard disk, and your processor. These are your hardware devices. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So on the hardware layer, you consider this one as a, consider entire thing this one as your hardware. you need to be communicate, right? I mean, so
Yes, yes.
you brought an laptop. You need to, you wants to be work on Excel or something, so on, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
So to communicate with your hardware, you need an operating system. That is called an operating system. Yeah, operating system which is going to be communicate with your hardware with the respective what the application you're going to be installed, the respective things needs to be processed. Clear?
Okay. Yes.
Okay. So first, what is the first layer?
Okay.
Hardware. The second layer, which is the second layer?
Oh,
Your operating system. It may your Windows, it may your Linux, it may your Mac OS, or it
yes.
may Unix. You as of now you forgot about the flavors of the operating system. Okay.
Okay.
Just think that with
Okay.
the help of the operating system only you can communicate with your hardware. Okay.
Yes.
So you are clear?
Okay.
Why there will be interrelation
Clear,
between
sir.
your hardware and your operating system. Once your operating system on layer of, yes, when the operating system layer only you can install the application. Without operating system you cannot install a application. For example, can you install an
Yes.
MS Office application without Windows operating system? Is that
No,
possible?
no, can't.
So can you explain me what are the layers we have
No,
seen? Can you recall
no,
what are the layers we are seeing? Hardware layer, operating system layer, and application layer. Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Can you repeat?
Yes, sir. First one is hardware, second one is operating system, third layer is application layer.
Yes. So your application layer is die. Your application is not working. Okay. Whether your operating system is alive, is that possible? Can you put your thought process into that? Your MS application is crashed. Whether your operating system is alive? Are you able to understand my question?
Hello?
Hello?
No, sir. No, sir. It's yes. Tell me, sir. No.
ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ದು MS Office ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇದೆ, ಓಕೆವಾ? ಓಕೆ,
Okay.
ನೀವು
Okay.
MS Office ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಯಾವ್ದು
Okay.
ಮೇಲೆ? ಒಂದು ವಿಂಡೋಸ್ 10 ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಮೇಲೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ MS Office ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಕ್ರಾಶ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸಮ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಇಟ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಕ್ರಾಶ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ whether your operating system will be survive. It is live. You are able to do other things. Yes, you can do, right?
Operating system is
Yeah, that is the
available.
answer. See, say yes or no. You please do answer. Then only I can understand your level of hardware knowledge. Okay.
Yes, we can.
So yeah, your operating system got crashed. Whether your application is live?
No.
Why?
Because enter installed in operating system, right? Every application there. Every application.
Yes, exactly. So your bare metal hardware got crashed. Your operating system and your application is alive. For example, your hard disk got crashed. Your operating system and your application is alive. Hello. Please do answer so that I can understand. Hello.
Hello.
Hi Shivananda, have you? Have you downloaded? Have you downloaded the ISO image?
It's in progress. 1 minute. I
It is
think
in
it's
progress.
near complete to VirtualBox I have completed, and on that CentOS is still in progress. Sir, because that very huge.
Okay, it is an 1 GB application. 1 GB. Yeah. Let
Yeah,
it
yeah.
go ahead.
It's in VirtualBox completed.
Okay. Shivananda, have you understood the layers that there are? I have seen here 3 layers. One is hardware layer, another one is operating system layer, another one is application
Operating
layer.
system, not only application layer. Yes, yes. I understood.
You understood, right? So
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
your operating system is generally it's going to be communicate with your hardware, and then it's going to be produce a results. It may be application, it may be some other task. Generally, it perform your operating system is responsible to perform the task. Okay, it speaks to your
Okay.
processor, and then job get it done. This is called an operating system. This is the reason through only this operating system can only you can install an application or do whatever you can. This is the platform. Okay, clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Clear, sir. Clear.
okay. Now we are coming to operating Unix operating system. You asked it, right? Unix operating system.
Yes, sir. I have asked.
So what is an Unix operating system? Unix operating system is a proprietary operating system. Okay, it is an operating system. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so
Okay.
why it is an operating system? First, I'll give an explanation. In 1962, Bell Laboratories, Bell Labs introduced an operating system. Okay, the Dennis Richard and one more guy has introduced the Unix operating system. So the first operating system is Minix, which is which around like sorry, they have introduced the Minix in 62, and then 1970s, around 1970s, they introduced Unix operating system. Okay, it is an proprietary operating system. It is an proprietary operating system. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so what is an proprietary operating system? Proprietary means it has the owner for the operating system. See, for example, for Windows, who is the owner of the operating system? Microsoft, correct? Microsoft
Yes.
will have the Windows operating
Yes,
system.
correct.
The same way,
Yes, sir.
here, the Bell Labs has the proprietary operating system. Okay. Later,
Yes.
it is only for the research purpose they have developed in 1972. Okay. Later 1972,
Oh.
HP, you heard about the company HP, right?
Yes, yes, here. Yes.
HP Unix. Have you heard about IBM?
Yes, sir. Of course.
IBM, Sun Solaris. Okay. Yes. Okay. Sun Solaris.
Okay,
So
sir.
from here it has been derived 3 operating system. So they taken the kernel. We'll discuss later on what is the kernel. They taken the operating system. They have customized and they introduced in the commercial way. So far it is not commercialized. Okay, the HP they brought the operating system from the Bell Laboratories and they put their name HP Unix and they introduced HP Unix. And then at the same timeline, IBM also introduced an operating system. Sun Solar is also introducing an operating system. Okay, HP Unix and AIX Unix operating system still is available. Okay, Sun Solaris is no more available, but the existing servers are running. It brought by Oracle. I think three years back, the Oracle acquired this Sun Solaris completely. So they're not going to give any new product. They're not selling. The existing one they are going to be support. Okay, these 3 operating system now commercially no one is going to be purchased now because the various aspects they are not going to be purchased this aspect. When you take an HP Unix and IBM AXI, you need to buy their hardware also. You cannot buy an hardware outside because the drivers are fit to their hardware, not to the other hardware. Okay. So that is the reason. So here what happens? So these are the proprietary operating system. Then how the Linux came? Now I'll tell the Linux. Okay. A university guy, the university scholar, the guy name called Linus Torvald. Like Linus T-O-R-V. This, sorry. Linus Torvald has, sorry.
No, so continue, sir.
Linus Torvald has invented the Linux operating system. Okay, in like 1980s, this Linus guy, Linus Torvald, has taken the code from Unix. Okay, he taken the code from the Unix and he developed a code, the Unix operating system written in C language. Okay, he's taken the Unix code and he made lot of changes and you wanted to give freely available. You don't want to introduce the proprietary model. You want to make sure that the operating system has to be freely available for the public usage. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Who is Linus Torvald?
University student, right?
No, this guy is a scholar. He's a research scholar. Yeah. So he invented the Linux operating system. Okay. So have you downloaded?
Yeah, it's still in, I think, my place little, but the network is low, sir. It's going on.
Okay. Okay, fine. That is fine. That is fine. Okay. I'll be continuing. Okay. So Linus Torvald has introduced the, you don't want to give proprietary. You want to
Free.
Give freely for public. Okay. So that is the reason we call it Linux is the open source operating system. Okay, you understood now what is the open source, what is the proprietary operating system?
Yes, sir. It's a paid
What is the
proprietary and Linux is free version.
open source, not free, open source?
Okay.
Okay, yes. So
Yes,
now
sir.
what is the challenges are there now? So what was the challenges? The open source and then proprietary operating system. What was the challenge?
Yes, sir.
The challenge is, like, if you have an issue with the Microsoft operating system, you will be reaching Microsoft, right? When the same way, if you have a Linux operating system has some issue, who gonna be take care? Okay, for that is the reason they introduced
Okay, sir.
subscription model. Subscription.
Okay. Subscription.
Subscription in the sense, when you compare to subscription, you cannot
Okay.
make more charges. Minimal amount you can charge. The operating system is free for the maintenance purpose, for the patches and then security updates. These are the things you're going to be paid, which is for the minimal. Okay,
Okay.
but you have to give and credit. Always you can see, you might have heard Red Hat Linux,
Sir.
SUSE Linux. Everywhere the suffix should be Linux, Linux, Linux. The open source, the agreement is you have to use the Linux. You cannot use without Linux. You cannot. Tomorrow Sivanand also take the source code, okay, and you do some customization and you can release the name of Shiva Linux operating system. Okay, that is possible. Okay, so this is called the subscription model. Now we are going to be check what are the flavors of Linux. Have you heard about any Linux flavors?
No, sir. No, sir.
Red Hat, you have not heard about Red Hat?
Oh yeah, heard.
Ubuntu?
Oh, won't I heard.
Debian?
No.
You have not heard about Debian? SUSE Linux?
Yes, sir. Yes. Oh.
SUSE Linux?
No.
Kali Linux? Kali Linux?
No. No.
Okay. Amazon Linux?
No.
Oracle Linux?
Yeah, yet.
I have still much more are there. Okay, so still much more are there. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
So these are the Linux. The first commercial operating system they have introduced, the Red Hat operating system. And I have forgot one more thing, the important one, CentOS. Have you heard about CentOS? So there are 100 plus, or there
No,
are many several operating systems. Sorry, you said something?
No.
So these are the flavors of Linux: Red Hat Linux, Debian, Ubuntu, SUSE, Kali, Amazon, Oracle, CentOS Linux. Okay, These are the commercial, these operating systems are commercial, like enterprise scale operating system. Okay.
Okay,
And
sir. Okay.
Linux has multi-user operating system. Okay. 99.9% of web servers are running in Linux operating system. Clear? So you can imagine
Clear.
the jobs, how many jobs are open to Linux operating system. Okay.
Okay.
The major companies like Amazon, Citibank, all other banks are using Linux operating system.
Linux.
Yeah. Sorry.
No, sir. No.
Okay. So
Okay.
e-commerce
Okay.
sites, all e-commerce site are using Linux operating system. Okay. So the majorly the industry leaders are Red Hat operating system. Now this Ubuntu and SUSE is coming up. Okay. So Red Hat has already captured the market. And then CentOS is subsidiary of Linux operating system. In our training, we are going to be use CentOS operating system because the repository and everything you don't need. If you go for a Red Hat of Linux, you need to buy a subscription to eliminate that. What are the commands? Everything will be the same. This is the subsidiary of the Linux operating system. So we are our training. We are going to be use CentOS 7. Okay, clear? So far it's clear?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Can we quickly recall what and all we have covered today?
Yes, sir. Basic introduction and operating system, and who
Yes.
invented,
What is an operating system?
and what the next who took.
So about we have discussed history of the Unix operating system, flavors of the Unix operating system,
Yes, sir. Yes.
and Linux, or what is the Linux operating system, who invented the Linux operating system, and we discussed about what is open source and then what is proprietary operating system, and then we have discussed what are the flavors of the operating system, what are the flavors of the Linux operating system, and then which is the market leader in the Linux operating system. Red Hat is the market leader, and then CentOS is the subsidiary of Red Hat
Linux.
operating system, Red Hat Linux. So the funding will be done by Red Hat.
Okay.
So commands and the repository, everything remain the same. That is the reason we are going to be use CentOS 7. Okay, the job
Oh.
opportunity for the Linux. So 99% of our web servers in the world, not only here, all over the world, the Linux servers has been used. Even your Google, Facebook, Amazon, these are the Microsoft. Even these are the big companies are using Linux operating system. So imagine the scale of the Linux, the stability of the Linux, and then I can tell you, you cannot break the Linux password very easily. So you no need to worry about the security aspect. Linux gives highest, most tightened security because your server is hosted anywhere else in the world. You no need to tell where the server is hosted. Just and the load you can see ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು ದಸರಾ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಫ್ಲಿಪ್ಕಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಫರ್ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಬಿಗ್ ಬಿಲಿಯನ್ ಡೇ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಯೂಸರ್ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ crores of users will be login, right? If they're purchasing or not purchasing, they're going to be login, right? They'll see what are the offers are available. Even you might have tried.
Everyone.
So yeah, then see the imagine the load. Your Windows operating system has the capacity, it will be has the limitation of the user handling. If you go behind that, it will be crashed. Okay, where your Linux server has the capacity to handle the multi-user. Okay, it will be your kernel is designed in such a way. Then you can think about the job opportunities of the Linux operating system. Okay, if you become a Linux administrator, your growth will be, no one can stop now, because all the companies are incorporating the open source operating system, not the proprietary operating system. Okay, clear? Any doubts so far? Any doubts so far? Can you quickly recall?
No, sir.
Because if you interact as much as possible, so your communication also will be grow. The interview, you down the line, you're going to be face an interview, that also will be very easy. That is the reason I'm pushing ahead. I know Kannada, but still I'm teaching in English. The reason behind is tomorrow you need to be crack an interview. Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Can you, yes, quickly, fatafat, we can recall what all we have covered today. You can see the screen and then you can tell me, no issues.
Yeah, sir. We have. Yeah. We have covered today regarding introduction of operating system and who invented and who first purchased the Unix and IBM, and what are the Linux flavors, and regarding job marketing details.
Yeah.
These are we have covered, sir.
Okay. So far it's clear, right? It's not going over ahead.
Yeah. No. It's the basics. I can understand.
Yeah. Still, the introduction of the operating system, lot more to cover. We have to discuss architecture of the Linux and so on. Okay. We'll go slowly. Once you're comfortable, then we set our lab. Then we'll be. So today we'll wind up the class here. We'll continue tomorrow at the same time. Is that okay?
Okay, sir. I'm down. Yeah, it is okay, sir.
Okay.
And I'm
So
still
have you
downloading
downloaded?
it, sent to a. No,
Yeah,
sir.
let it be
My
down.
place little
Okay.
bit.
Okay, fine. So let's download. Keep it ready by tomorrow at the same time. We'll go ahead. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Okay, sir. Thank you.
If you have any questions, please do ask me.
Okay.
No, right?
Yeah.
Thank
sir.
you, Sivanand.
Okay.
Thank you, Anand.
Can I copy?
Sorry.
Will you provide this note, sir? This notes, notes. Will you provide me?
You want this note?
Yeah, sir. I will read. I will read this.
Okay, I'll send it this. I'll send it this in a better way by tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Bye, sir. Bye.